welcome back for my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday 28th of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at cable, which has come off again, hasn't it? It's sort of finding resistance around this this breakout level, 33.35, a bit of a tough nut to crack. It sort of had a crack at it 3 sessions in a row, rising highs, but being sold off into that move, and you're starting to see the market turning a little bit, putting pressure on this uptrend. That uptrend has been in place for the last 2 weeks, and it is now sort of really putting pressure on that uptrend. I think if you saw a break below 32.77, that is a sell, I think, near term, because I think that would be a failure of that resistance. Yeah, you've got the high at 33.82, so which is quite obviously almost 50 pips above the resistance, but that was an intraday level. Never seen that on a closing breakout. Basically bang on the closing level on Friday before that sort of. I mean, you could argue that is a negative candle. I mean, it is a negative candle, sorry. You could argue it's almost a shooting star, probably not quite. But again, if that gets followed up by another negative candle today, which we are seeing developing, sort of 14, 15 pips down on the day, you've got a crossover sell signal on the stochastics forming, not confirmed yet. RSI sort of up towards 60, arguably rolling over. There is pressure being put on this uptrend once more. And you can see that on the hourly chart where you've just rolled over a touch, and you've had that intraday move to 33.55, failing, rolling over, basically around where that level was there, just on Monday morning. Yeah, it's or Friday evening, I should say. It's sort of arguably turning into a head and shoulders top as well, you could say, on a near-term basis. Although, again, not confirmed yet, but it is beginning to put pressure on this uptrend once more. Now, we've had pressure on this uptrend before, and the market has held on to it. And I think what you need to see is sort of the market consistently sort of running below this neutral line on the MACD lines, which never really happened throughout this move higher. But we're starting to see a bit of a move, are we, on this on these MACD lines below neutral. You'd also want to see RSI probably into the mid to the low 30s, I'd say, again to confirm that move. But as I said, nothing yet's confirmed, and 32.77 is the key support there. So it could be a sell, but not quite yet, I think, in my opinion. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.